Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol QQQ. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, quite the rough day on the day, not only from the charting standpoint, but really just because of the way things ended. And the way things ended really just kind of transformed and brought in a whole new set of questions because, in fact, let's do this. Let's get the last 30 minutes out of the day. And the chart was looking like this, meaning at that point, okay, the big question was, all right, it's clear, NASDAQ seems to be trying to bottom out. Right there around 273 has done a good job of, you can see just right there, the price started to go sideways from there. But again, like I said, this was before the last 30 minutes happened, and the last 30 minutes showed up, and then kaboom, down the price went through that level of support. Now, does that mean that it's guaranteed for sure to get that much nastier? No, there's no such thing as a guarantee. But my point here is it's now a more than valid and wise question that should be asked now is this the start of something that much worse? Is this the start of that much more of a bigger breakdown? And that is something that, is definitely going to matter going forward. And this also brings about the first level of resistance. And this is based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. So if there is any sort of bounce back to the upside, 273 will be that first key level of resistance. And the next key level after that will be just the top portion of the range, which is up here at about 274.75. But like I said, really the big dynamic here, at least in my mind, is, okay, is this going to get that much worse? And if so, where are some of these next levels of support at? So the next potential area of support that could very likely be tested now at this point, with the way that, final 30 minutes went, would be down here at the 270 mark. And then after 270, next key level of support would then be down there around the 267.50 mark. So the price is kind of entering into a little miniature no man's land here, where it would be more than rational to think that the price could pick up quite a bit of additional downside selling pressure here. So that final 30 minutes really was kind of a game changer in the sense of, is this the beginning of much more? We'll see what happens with it on Thursday. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.